Most of us never think twice about our phones, but they're collecting far more data than we realize. Stock phones are designed to spy on you. They track your location, access your microphone and camera even when they're off, and harvest your data for ad profiling. Every app and internet fingerprint is streamed back to big tech servers, creating a digital profile of your entire life. A DeGoogled phone is a normal smartphone, like a Google Pixel, that still runs on the Android core, but all of Google's proprietary tracking systems have been completely removed. These tracking systems are replaced with open-source operating systems like GrapheneOS. The biggest reason this is possible is because DeGoogled phones use open-source software. Closed source code is a black box. You just have to trust the company. But open source code is public and auditable by anyone. You can verify what the software actually does. This is the real-world difference. This is what privacy freedom actually looks like. Knowing your data is secure gives you a greater sense of security and peace of mind. A DeGoogled phone gives you real privacy and full control. Take back your digital life at getprivacyfreedom.com.